Good morning, Assessor. My name is Julius Carcillar. I will demonstrate assisting the patient in oral care. Definition, to prevent dental and oral health problem, and the purpose is maintaining dental health and preserving teeth. First, wash my hand, sanitize, and wear my gloves. Then I prepare the materials. We have a denture, glass of water, denture box, kidney basin, toothpaste, and toothbrush. Then, white cloth, and coal light. Knock knock. Come in. Hello, good day, Mr. Smith. My name is Julius Carcillar. Is your caregiver today? I will assist you in oral care. First, the privacy routine. Check a lot on the bed. Then, elevate the patient. Okay, Mr. Smith. Are you comfortable with your position? Okay, thank you. First, get the white cloth and put the chest of the patient. Then, check the mouth if you have a denture. Mr. Smith, can you open your mouth? I will remove your denture. Okay, thank you. And put in the box. Then, take the toothbrush and toothpaste. Put toothpaste in the toothbrush. Then brush her teeth. And the quadrant. Right, circular motion. Lower than right, circular motion. Left, circular motion. Left, down, circular motion. And the outside, right circular motion, left circular motion, and the front circular motion. Last is the tongue, brush your tongue. Next, take the water on the basin. Okay, Mr. Smith, this is your water. Sip, gargle, and sleep. Sip, gargle, and sleep. Then, wipe the mouth of the patient. Next, brush hair dentures on the vessel. Brush and rinse with water. Then, Mr. Smith, open your mouth. I will put in your denture. Then, wipe again the mouth of the patient. Mr. Smith, how's your pain? Are you refreshed? Thank you. Then check up the leg of the bed, back, and the lower down, the head of the bed. Then, Mr. Smith, this is your call light. If you have any assistance or any concern, please push the button. Then, I'll remove all the materials and clean. Then, I remove my gloves. Then, sanitize. I do aftercare. I will document it to my care plan, assisting the patient in oral care. Done.